Right guys, welcome back. We looked at simultaneous equations today, so I want to refresh it. I want to make sure we know what we're doing with it. Okay, so I've given you two equations here. Okay, 2x plus 3y equals 13, and 2x plus 11y equals 37. Okay, step one for this, what we can do first, nice and simple, we're going to label them. Okay, we're going to label it 1 and 2. Okay, always start off by doing that. Now the whole point of this, the whole way forward for this, is that we need to eliminate, we need to get rid of either our x value or our y value. Okay? In this case, we're going to be getting rid of our x's. Why are we getting rid of our x's? Because we've got a 2x there and a 2x there. If we had 2y and 2y, for example, we'd eliminate our y values, but at the minute, we're eliminating our 2x's. So what we're going to do, we need to try and keep this as easy as possible as well. I don't want to make it too difficult. So I'm going to do equation 2, take away equation 1. And I'll show you why in a minute. So first step, I'm going to do equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay? If the signs in the middle are the same, you're just going to be take away. And if the signs in the middle are different, you're going to add. Okay? So we're going to do 2x minus 2x. Okay, 2x minus 2x is 0. Okay, we're then going to do 11y minus 3y, which is 8y. And then we're going to do 37 from there, minus 13, which is 24. Okay, so we've done all that. The reason why I'm doing equation 2 minus equation 1 is because otherwise, if you did equation 1 minus equation 2, you'd have 3y minus 11y, which will give you a negative answer. So we're trying to make things as easy as possible. So what we've got then, we've got 0x, okay, we've got 0x from there, plus 8y, okay, from here. And we know that equals 24. Okay? Dealt with our x's, dealt with our y's, dealt with a number after the equal sign, and we end up with this equation. Now I'm going to get rid of that 0x because it's useless. It does nothing to help us, it just confuses us. So we've got 8y equals 24. So 8 times something is 24. If you work out 8 times table, 8, 16, 24. It's 3, so y equals 3. So we've worked out half the question. We've got a couple of marks on our GCSE paper. That isn't the end though. Yes, we found out what y is, but we also need to find out what x is. So to do that, we're going to substitute this value into one of the equations. I'm going to choose equation 1 because I think it looks a little bit easier. Make life as easy as you can for yourself, okay? So we're going to sub into 1, okay? We don't know what x is, so we're going to have 2x on its own, okay? We know that y is 3, and 3y means 3 times y. So what we've got, 3 times 3 is 9, and we know that equals 13. Now we've got to just solve an equation, okay? It's rearranging. So I'm going to take this plus 9, and I'm going to put it on the other side. Okay, so what we end up with is 2x, okay, 2x hasn't moved, our equal sign hasn't moved, and 13 hasn't moved. If it starts as a plus on one side, it has to be a negative on the other side, so it's 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4, so we've got 2x equals 4, and x then equals 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? Key bits. We need to label it. You need to eliminate one of your variables, okay? You can eliminate your x's, you can eliminate your y's, make it easy for yourself though, okay? You then need to solve to find what one of the variables is, the one you haven't eliminated, then substitute that back in to find out what the other one is. Okay, if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a good day, guys.